Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday, which means a couple different things here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. But first, I want to thank everyone for the birthday wishes. I had a nice day. It was quiet, but it was nice. Just thank you very much. Today is a Food is Art Day. And I'll explain that in a minute, because I want to get back to yesterday's culinary expedition, which was borscht from Poland. I normally don't hesitate to try a dish, eating it. But I didn't know what to expect from cooked beets. I had never worked with beets other than from a can that were pickled, because I love them. So the house smelled wonderful. The color, it's really funny, I'm wearing a burgundy shirt today. The color was absolutely stunning. I could see why they used beets as a dye, back in the day. It's a wonderful dish. There's so many different variations for borscht. I saw recipes that had potatoes and cabbage and beef. This is a must repeat in this house, in my kitchen. Excellent. I ate every bit of it, except for I didn't eat all the broth. My sink, when I poured out the rest of the soup, it looked like a bloodbath. It just really did. So the recipe will definitely be up. It is a very simple soup, super simple. All right, back to Food is Art. Several months ago, I did what they call a rice stack. And I've been wanting to get back to one. I have several recipes for rice stacks. This one caught my eye because it's got three of my favorite ingredients in it: rice, shrimp, and pineapple. This is a teriyaki shrimp pineapple rice stack. This is not difficult. This is art. Let's get to it. Only thing I need for pans, for hardware, is a saute pan. I'll probably go down a size. I don't really need the large 10-inch. And a saucepan for the rice. Like I said, there's three components. We're going to start with the rice component, which is long grain white rice, some chicken stock, some sesame oil, soy sauce, and just a hint of garlic powder. The second layer is obviously shrimp, teriyaki sauce. I really enjoy the Panda Express Mandarin teriyaki sauce. Yummy. I actually have put it on meatloaf before. Honey and fresh grated ginger. And then the top, real simple, chunk pineapple. So there's your three components. I use a 3-inch gaff tape tube as my mold. I discovered this when I did the first one many, many months ago. I will clean it and surround it and wrap it in saran wrap. And I get to use one of my favorite tools in the kitchen, my tweezers. Yep, I have tweezers in my kitchen. I use them all the time. So here's all the goodies for tonight's rice stack. Gotta love it. Food is art. I wore my blue version of this to Bel Air because I had to pick up a prescription, and I had two people remark that, yes, food is art. One was my pharmacist, who's a foodie, who's actually in this group. Hi, Monica. And another one was more older lady as I was going out to my car, and she goes, "Yes, food is art." So, on this Wednesday, this Food is Art Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.